Andrew, please make yourself available tomorrow evening around 6. I need to see you urgently.
Bishop McBain.
Yeah. Douglas has threatened to go to the bishop. They've made good their threats.
Is this serious?
If it's what I think it is, yes. Could be very serious.
Can you... Do you want to tell me?
No. Yes, I don't know.
Andrew, you can't go through something like this by yourself. Please, tell me, what is going on? What? That's insane. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's what the Douglases believe.
Did somebody tell them this?
I don't know. I don't know if someone told them. I don't know if they jumped to the conclusion or if they had the idea and it was confirmed when they heard the sermon about my brother and how he died. I don't know.
But Andrew, that is so archaic. Come on. Everyone knows that AIDS isn't just a gay disease, right? And even if your brother were gay, it hardly runs in families.
But, Cassie, when you're talking about a subject that has a lot of fear attached to it, people are going to feel a lot safer buying into the old stereotypes.
But you're not...
Married, for one thing. And that's just starters. And I'm not one of these beer-drinking machos, cigarette-in-the-sleeve type of guys either. Maybe when I went public with all the stuff about my brother, it just kind of focused the Douglases' hostility and their fears. I don't know where they're coming from. Maybe they're just prejudiced people. I don't know.
But would that warrant a complaint?
And I've been thinking about this time when Billy came to me to talk. And I put my arm around him to comfort him. He was in pain. Douglases came in and they saw that. They told Billy to leave and then they said, stay away from our son. God help me if they think that I was making advances on Billy.
What?
Come on, Cassie. Now, just because people wear three-piece suits and they got good table manners doesn't mean they're not going to make horrific mistakes.
But even if you were gay, would that automatically assume that you'd be making advances on a 17-year-old boy?
Of course not.
Any more that it would follow that being straight, you'd be hitting on teenage girls.
Right. But logic and bigotry don't go together.
I think someone is trying to hurt you.
I thought of that, too.
Who? And we were worried what people would think about us being together. It's almost funny.
Hilarious.
Well, at least it'll put a stop to these rumors.
No. I'm not going to shine a spotlight on what we do in the bedroom to answer rumors. It's our business, nobody else's.
Andrew,
No, absolutely not. Cassie, I understand what you're trying to do here, but no. And now the bishop's going to get involved. It's really just unbelievable.
Andrew, you have to take action. If this thing gets out of... You have to stop this rumor. Now.
Oh, come on. Joey, that ball was at least 6 inches from the line.
You think?
At least, yes. You're just sore because I won.
Oh, am I? 6? Well, listen, I'll bet money on that.
Oh, yeah, right. In your dreams, buddy. In your dreams.
Oh, you think?
Billy. Hey, what's up?
Nothing.
How's your arm?
It's fine.
We've missed you. Where you been hiding?
Around.
Look, we were gonna go get a soda. You wanna come?
No, I don't think so. My parents are gonna meet me here in a minute. Maybe I'll catch you guys later. Billy. What's going on? Nothing, man. Don't give me this nothing stuff, okay? No, what does that mean? You don't know or you don't care? Do you care that we care, or does it anyone matter anymore? Hey, Joey, chill out and quit ragging on me, man. I mean, what is this? One day, you can't look me in the eye, and the next, you're treating me like you... All right, Billy, look. I know that I've been acting kind of strange to you lately. And I'm sorry. Fine. Apology accepted. go get your sodas.
Billy, what's the problem?
Look, Alana, leave me alone. I don't need this hassle.
Yeah, and we didn't need you being a pain at the dance, okay?
Look, I don't owe you an explanation or anybody else. Got it? I said what I said because that's how I felt.
Yeah, and you almost blew off your arm with a firecracker.
It was my arm that got hurt. No one else's.
Billy. Billy. Come on, you were really drunk.
Billy, you were really drunk. What are you, my guardian angel?
No, I'm your friend.
Then be one and leave me alone.
Billy, you got stinking drunk with the biggest trouble in Landview. Marty. Marty, I mean, come on, Billy. What was your problem?
Nothing. Okay? You guys got a problem with me? Fine. Just get off my back and stay away.
Billy.